Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to email this file to other people. So if you go to your file menu, right here we have the email option, and when we hover over that, we have two choices: email this file or email collaborators. If I select email this file, what this will do is it will allow me to enter some addresses to send it to. I can send myself a copy if I want, have a subject, include a message, and I can choose what way I would like this file to appear to the people I send it to. I can send it and have it converted to a PDF, Microsoft PowerPoint, or just plain text. So whoever I want to send it to, I have some choices on how I do that. Or if you only want to email people who are collaborating on this file with you, people who have edit access or whatever, click on Email Collaborators, and it will show you who all would be included here. And notice that if there's somebody you don't want to include, you can click on the X and remove them from the email. You also have the option to send yourself a copy, change the message or the subject, add the message, and then that will notify the collaborators that this file has been updated, or there's something that you want them to pay attention to in this file, a change that's been made, whatever. All right, so there's a couple of different ways that you can email the file. Maybe you're just sending it to people, or maybe you want specifically to communicate with those who are working on it with you.